Good morning, students. This is Bharat. You are going to see standard 9th maths continuation of algebra exercise 3.1 question number 6. Subtract the second polynomial from the first polynomial. Second polynomial from the first polynomial, and you have to find the degree of the resultant polynomial. It's clear, students? Solution. The first polynomial is p of x. P of x is equal to 7x squared plus 6x minus 1. And second polynomial is q of x is equal to 6x minus 9. So you are going to subtract the given polynomial. It's clear, students? P of x minus q of x. P of x is what, children? 7x squared plus 6x minus 1 minus of q of x is 6x minus 9. Now 7x squared plus 6x minus 1 minus into plus minus 6x, then minus into minus plus 9. Now arrange the terms. 7x squared plus 6x minus 6x minus 1 plus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 7x squared plus 6x minus 6x cancel. So minus 1 plus 9 is 8, which is greater number plus. So p of x minus q of x is equal to 7x squared plus 8. It's clear, students? Now you are going to find the degree. The degree of the polynomial is, what is the degree of polynomial? Yes, 2. Highest degree is 2. It's clear, students? Second one, f of y equal to 6. F of y equal to 6 into y squared minus 7y plus 2. And g of y is equal to 7y plus y cube. The variable given term is y in terms of y. So f of y minus g of y, you are going to subtract, students. So 6 into y squared minus 7 into y plus 2 minus of 7y plus y cube. Right? Now 6y squared minus 7y plus 2, you are going to write as it is, because here plus symbol is there. If you multiply plus with terms, you get same sign. Now here minus is there, so you have to multiply the two terms. So minus into plus minus 7y. Next minus into plus minus y cube. Okay, children, now arrange the terms. First is minus y cube plus 6y squared minus 7y plus 2. Just check the terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Minus y cube plus 6y squared. Both are like terms. So you put minus symbol and add. 7 plus 7, 14. Y, which is great number 7, what sign? So put minus. Plus 2. It's clear, students? This is f of y minus g of y is equal to minus y cube plus 6 into y squared minus 14 into y plus 2. Then you have to find the degree of the polynomial. So the degree of the polynomial is 3. Degree of the polynomial is 3. It's clear, students? Next, third subdivision. Next, third one, 7z is equal to z power 5 minus 6 into z power 4 plus z, and f of z equal to 6z squared plus 10z minus 7. So h of z minus f of z. First find, you have to subtract, children. So z power 5 minus 6 into z power 4 plus z minus 6z squared plus 10z minus 7. Here plus symbol is there. So straight away you can remove the bracket. Z power 5 minus 6 into Z power 4 plus Z. Now multiply sign minus with 3 terms, minus into 6, minus 6z squared, minus into plus, minus 10z, minus into minus, plus 7. Now arrange the degree. So z power 5 minus 6 into z power 4 minus 6z squared plus z minus 10z plus 7. It's clear, students? Now z power 5 minus 6 z power 4. So both minus 6z squared, because z cube is not there. Next is 6z squared. Here both are like term but different sign. So 10 minus 1 is 9z, which is greater number 10. What sign is there? You put minus symbol, plus 7. It's clear, students? So h of z minus f of z is equal to z power 5 minus 6 into z power 4 minus 6 into z square minus 9 into z plus 7. Then you have to find the degree of the polynomial. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is is 5. It's clear, students? Question number 7. What should be added to 2x cube plus 6x squared minus 5x plus 8 to get 3x cube minus 2x squared plus 6x plus 15? Students, here you should add, okay, one polynomial is given, another polynomial is not given. When you add two polynomial, you get the result of 3x cube minus 2x squared plus 6x plus 15. So, solution, given polynomial. So, given polynomial is, that is, we can take p of x. Okay, given polynomial p of x is equal to 2x cube plus 6x square minus 5x plus 8. Let the other polynomial is, you can consider q of x. It's clear, children? So we have to find the other polynomial. What number should be added? Okay. Now what is the question? What should be added? That is, what should be added? That is p of x plus q of x. Okay. Is equal to, what you get? 3x cube minus 2x squared plus 6x plus 15. That is what should be added, right? So 2x cube plus 6x squared minus 5x plus 8 should be added to get 3x cube minus 2x squared plus 6x plus 15. So q of x you keep as it is, children. Now 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15 is there. Now you transfer 2x cube plus 6x squared minus 5x plus 8 towards your right side. Okay, what will happen? Sign will change. So plus 2x cube become minus 2x cube plus 6x squared become minus 6x squared minus 5x become plus 5x plus 8 become minus 8. So q of x is equal to, now arrange the powers, children, 3x cube, right, minus 2x cube, minus 2x squared, minus 6x squared, plus 6x, plus 5x, plus 15, minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Check the terms, children. So q of x is equal to 3x cube. So minus 2x cube. So both are like terms, children. So q of x is equal to x cube like terms. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So plus 1x cube. X squared is like term. So both are having same sign, means you can add 6 plus 2 is 8 x squared, which is greater number 6. So what sign? Minus. Then xx are like term. 6x plus 5x is plus 11x. 15 minus 8 is constant. So 15 minus 8, that is subtract. 15 minus 8 is what? You get 7. So x cube minus 8x squared plus 7x plus 7 must be added. X cube minus 8x squared plus 11x plus 7 must be added to get 3x cube minus 2x squared plus 6x plus 15. It's clear, students? So this is the question, p of x, that is we have considered p of x, the added one is q of x, you have found q of x, so this must be added to get 3x cube minus 2x squared plus 6x plus 15. It's clear, students? By this we have completed question number 7. Question number 8, important sum, students. What must be subtracted from 2x power 4 plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 7 to get 3x cube minus x squared plus 2x plus 1? Right, students? Now, what is the given polynomial? Given polynomial is 2x power 4 plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 7. One polynomial is given. So, what must be subtracted from the polynomial? That means other polynomial is not given, so we can let the other polynomial be q of x. Now look at the question, children. What must be? So other polynomial is q of x. So q of x must be subtracted from p of x. P of x is nothing but 2x power 4 plus 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Okay, so you subtracted from means how you are going to write, children? P of x minus q of x. Okay, subtracted from, you get what? 3x cube minus x squared plus 2x plus 1. It's clear, children? What is p of x here? P of x is what? 2x power 4 plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 7 minus q of x you have to find, that is equal to 3x cube minus x squared plus 2x plus 1. It's clear, students? Now what you're going to do is you're going to transfer. Okay, so from right to left and left to right. Okay, so this q of x minus q of x is there, so I'm going to transfer minus q of x towards the right side, that will become plus q of x. It's clear, students? Minus q of x to plus q of x. Now what is here? 2x power 4 plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 7 is there. When you shift 3 plus 3x cube become minus 3x cube, minus x squared become plus x squared, plus 2x become minus 2x, plus 1 become minus 1. Now q of x equal to, now arrange the highest power, children, 2x power 4, right? Then minus 3x cube is there, plus 4x squared is there, plus x squared is there, minus 3x is there, minus 2x is there, minus 1. Now check the term, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 only is there. So which is left? 2x power 4 is there, minus 3x cube is there, plus 4x squared is there, minus 3x is there, minus 2x is there, minus 1 is there, 7 is left. So plus 7. Now it's clear, right? Now q of x is equal to, so 2x power 4 as it is, minus 3x cube as it is. Here x squared like term. So 4 plus 1 is what? 5. Plus 5 x squared. Then minus 5x because like terms. So same sign. So add and put greater number 3. What sign? Minus. So different sign. Subtract 6 minus 1 is 6. Sorry, 7 minus 1 is 6. Right? Which is greater sign? 7. What sign? Plus. So put plus 6. So what must be subtracted? So 2x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 5x squared minus 5x plus 6 must be subtracted to get 3x cube minus x squared plus 2x plus 1. So you have to write the result, children. 2x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 5x squared minus 5x plus 6 must be subtracted to get 3x cube minus x squared plus 2x plus 1. It's clear, students? This is very, very important. By this we are completing question number 8. Question number 9. Multiply the following polynomials and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. First one, 9x equal to x squared minus 9. Q of x equal to 6x squared plus 7x minus 2. Solution. So take P of x and Q of x. So you are going to multiply. Clear children? So P of x into Q of x. Okay. So P of x is what? X squared minus 9 into 6x squared plus 7x minus 2. Now you are going to multiply x squared with x squared plus 7x minus 2 and 9 with 6x squared plus 7x minus 2. Minus 9 into 6x squared plus 7x minus 2. It's clear students. Now multiply x squared into 6x is 6x cube plus 7x cube minus 2x squared minus plus into minus minus 9 6 are 54x squared plus into minus minus 9 7s are 63 x minus to minus plus 9 2s are 18. It's clear students. Now 6x squared it is 6x x squared into 6x squared is 6x power 4. So 6x power 4 plus 7x cube minus 2x squared minus 54x squared. Like terms, both are having same sign. So add 2 plus 54 is 56x squared. 54x squared is the greatest number. So we put minus 56x squared minus 63x plus 18. It's clear students. Then you have to find the degree of the polynomial. The degree of the polynomial is highest degree is what? 4. Is 4. So find the product of 7x plus 2 and 15x minus 9. Solution f of x into g of x, because you are going to multiply f of x and into g of x. So f of x is what? 7x plus 2 into g of x is what? 15x minus 9. Now 7x with 15x minus 9 and 2 with 15x minus 9. So 7x into 15x minus 9 plus 2 into 15x minus 9. Now multiply children. Again 7 into 15. 7 15s are 105. X into x, x squared plus into minus minus. 7 9s are 63x plus 2 into 15 is 30x plus into minus minus 2 9s are 18. It's clear students. Now 105 x squared minus 63x plus 30x. So different sign, it is a like term. So you are going to subtract 63 plus 30 is 33x, which is greater number 63. What sign? Minus, so minus 33x minus 18. It's clear students. Next you have to find the degree of the polynomial. The degree of polynomial is 2. Third subdivision, h of x equal to 6x squared minus 7x plus 1 and f of x equal to 5x minus 7. Right. Solution, you are going to multiply h of x into f of x. So 6x squared minus 7x plus 1 into 5x minus 7. 6x squared into 5x minus 7, again minus 7x into 5x minus 7, again 1 with 5x minus 7. It's clear students. Now again you are going to multiply plus into plus plus. 6 5s are 30. X squared into x is x power 3. So same base you can add the power. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then plus into minus minus. 6 7s are 42 x squared. It's clear students. Next minus 7x into 5x, minus into plus minus. 7 5s are 35 x into x, x squared. Again minus into minus plus 7 7s are 49 x. Again plus 1 into 5x plus 5x plus into minus minus 1 into 7 is 7. It's clear students. Now 30 x cube minus 42 x squared and minus 35 x squared, both are like terms, so both are having same sign, so you put minus symbol and add. 5 plus 2 is 7, 4 plus 3 is 7, 77 x squared. So 49x plus 5x is like term, so you can add 49x plus 5x is 54x, 54x minus 7. So the degree of polynomial is, the degree of the polynomial is 3. It's clear, students? Question number 10. The cost of a chocolate is rupees x plus y, and Amit bought x plus y chocolates. Find the total amount paid by him in terms of x and y. If x equal to 10, y equal to 5, find the amount paid by him. Students, the question, read the question carefully, children. The cost of the chocolate is rupees x plus y. Solution: the cost of a chocolate is rupees x plus y. Number of chocolates. Now Amit bought x plus y chocolates. So number of chocolates bought by Amit is given as x plus y chocolates. Okay, now you are going to product, okay, because number of chocolate into cost. So therefore total amount paid by him is rupees x plus y into x plus y, right? Now x with x plus y, y with x plus y, plus y into x plus y, x into x, x square, plus x into y, plus into plus plus, y into x, xy, plus into plus plus, y square. So x square, xy and xy is like term, so 2xy plus y square. So total amount paid by him is x square plus 2xy plus y square. It's clear, students? Then what is the condition is given? X is equal to 10, y equal to 5. 5 the amount paid by him. Now substitute the value, students. What is the value? X is equal to 10 is given, y equal to 5 is given. The amount, the total amount paid by him is equal to, that is x square plus 2 into xy plus y square. Now substitute the value, student. In the place of x put 10 square, plus in the place of x put 10, in the place of y put 5, in the place of 5 put 5 square, right? 10 squared is 100, 2 10s are 20, 20 into 5 is 100, plus 5 into 5 25, 100 plus 100 200, 200 plus 25 is 225. It's clear, students? Therefore rupees 225 paid by him. It's clear, students? This is the end of 10th question. Question number 11. The length of the rectangle is x plus 2 units and breadth is 3x minus 2 units. So length value is given and breadth value is given of a rectangle. You have to find the area in terms of x. What will be the area if x is equal to 20? It's clear, students? Solution. So what is given, children? Length of a rectangle. So length of the rectangle L is equal to 3x plus 2 units. Next, breadth is given as 3x minus 2 units. So I can take breadth as b. B is equal to 3x minus 2 units. Now you know the formula, children. Area of rectangle, what is the formula? Length into breadth square units, right? What is the length here? 3x plus 2. What is the breadth here? 3x minus 2. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A squared minus b squared. It's clear. So we can write it as what now? 3x whole squared minus 2 squared. Right? ab the whole power m can be written as a power m b power m. Same way you can write 3 squared x squared, 2 squared is 4. That is 9x squared minus 4. It's clear, children? Then what is the value is given? X is equal to 20 is given. Okay, x equal to 20. So substitute x equal to 20. X equal to 20. So 9 into 20 squared minus 4. So 9 into 20 into 20 is what? 400 minus 4. 9 4s are 3600. 3600 minus 4. 3600 minus 4 is what? 3596 square units. It's clear, children? This is the area of rectangle. Therefore, area of the rectangle is equal to 3596 square units. It's clear, students? Question number 12. P of x is a polynomial of degree 1 and q of x is a polynomial of degree 2. What kind of the polynomial is p of x into q of x? See, children, q of x polynomial degree as 1 and q of x degree as 2. You have to find the product of the degree. Okay. So, p of x of degree is what? 1. Degree of the polynomial of q of x is what? 2. Now, degree of p of x into q of x is what? 2. Okay, so degree means you are going to add, you will not multiply. 2 plus 1, okay, that is equal to 3. Okay, that means a power m into a power n, that is put base and add the power. Okay, it's clear. Same way you are adding the power. Adding degree means power. 1 plus 2. Okay, 1 plus 2 you write, then it's be clear. 1 plus 2 is 3. It's clear, students? Therefore, degree of the polynomial of p of x into q of x is 3. 3 is nothing but it's a cubic polynomial. The polynomial is a cubic polynomial or polynomial of degree is 3. It's clear, children? By this we are completing exercise 3.1. Thank you.